What happens when a car runs a red light at a railroad crossing? In this video, we're going to be learning about what happens. Example, engine 3001 is pulling out of the railroad yard. And then the tractor from Southern Pacific Farms is going over the railroad crossing this time. More smart decision. Darn it, another motor problem. Wait, what's that noise? Oh no, it's a train. A tractor actually derails the train and turns the engine sideways, including the rest of the freight train. And also look at this Wisconsin Central hopper. And also look at the BNSF caboose and the boxcar. The boxcar is all that it's holding is the derailed wheel and the engine. That's going to be it for this Operation Lifesaver video. Operation Lifesaver. Stop, listen,